Well, they're back. Did them again. So I redid them, and this is to the motor. I really don't like that style connector and moving parts and stuff. I do have some waterproofish connectors, but for now, I'm going with more of these. And but I did crimp and solder and, well, yeah, little tiny solder. So crimp first, solder later. Excited to use this Kester 186. Thank you, Corvette Guy 50. Anyways, so. This always happens. This always happens. The crimps, I guess I'm not going small enough, but really, I don't think they're, yeah, I guess I'm not going small enough. Ugh. Well, instead of re-crimping it more, I'm just gonna squeeze it down because I've already put solder on the second part right here, like up in here, and just a little bit, and not necessarily right here where I'm gonna be bending, so I'm just gonna bend it at the rubber piece. Try to clamp that down a little bit. Because they're always too wide. But if that's because I'm not using it all the way, the crimper, then, well, that's just likely what it is. I'm not having much experience with these. Still trial and error. I'm sure somebody's like, oh, that's not how you do it. You do it like this. Done. But you know what? Practice makes perfect. So like, when I do get these on, I mean, sometimes I've gone around and put like UV glue at the wire and plastic connector. So, oh, there we go. I just want everybody to hear that and see that snap. Perfect. All right, we'll give it a test mode. What the heck do I have that is metal? I can freaking mount this one. My motor. You know what? This test shot might involve getting a new phone and keep dropping stuff. Please hold my iPhone. Steel. Finally, something. Ignore that car back there, please. I don't want to hear it. All right. Good. So basically, red, green, black, white is red, green, blue, yellow. And I'm trying to get that in focus. I tucked my shielding up in there as best as possible. Cut it flush with a flush trim bit or flush trim snips. And then on this side, I'm gonna have to make a shield drain with some silicon 22 gauge wire. Oh my lord, this stuff is boing, super flimsy. Anyways, but you know how it goes. This is the Z axis.